You guys know extremely well about the iPhone 13 series, which is Apple released the last year. It has amazing features. The main one is its wide and ultra-wide camera feature. That's why I'm also buying this iPhone 13 Pro. But recently I had experienced the camera flickering issue while recording video and taking picture. I'm very furious. Then I will find some solution to solve this issue. It's worked very well. And if you guys are also having the same problem, then follow the below steps to get rid of this issue. Solution number 1. Turn off the auto macro mode. The majority of the people in the forum reported that turning off auto macro mode on their iPhone fixes the camera flickering and jumping problems. So we can also try this one. To do that, launch settings on your iPhone, then scroll down the screen and tap on the camera. Here, swipe up to see the auto macro mode. If it is turned on, then turn it off. Again, go back to the camera app and try to take a picture or record a video. If you still face this problem, then check out the next one. Solution number 2. Adjust the exposure setting. Reduce or increasing the exposure to prevent the flickering caused by the frame rate of an LED or other fluorescent light interfering with the shutter speed. So try to adjust the exposure. To do that, launch Camera app on your iPhone. Here you can see the exposure settings at the top left of the screen that next to the flash icon. Just give it a click. Now adjust the exposure control according to your preferences. Once you set the correct exposure, you can now take the picture or video without any flickering. That's it. Solution number 3. Enable the lock camera option. Most of the people reported that their camera changing the settings while recording the video. So turning on the lock camera option. To do that, launch settings on your iPhone. Then swipe up the screen and select the camera option. Then tap on the record video option. Now toggle on the lock camera option. That's it. Guys, I hope everything turns out well by following the above method. If you still persist with this issue, then feel free to contact the Apple support. Okay, it's time to like and share this video with your friends and make sure to subscribe to iPhoneTopics.com. Okay, bye bye and see you soon in the next video.